Welcome to Best Pick. Top 10 Best USB-C to USB Adapter in 2020. Top 1. Syntech USB-C to USB Adapter, 2-pack, Thunderbolt 3 to USB 3.0 adapter compatible with MacBook Pro 2019 and before, MacBook Air 2020, Dell XPS and more Type-C devices, space gray. Supreme design. Design is all the heart of Syntech. We managed to bring exquisiteness, stylishness and functionality together to this compact USB-C adapter. The adapter is gathered with zinc alloy metallic minimalist and delicate non-slip embossment. Moreover, space gray color and no logo pattern are the best for no distracting your attention from workflow. Compatible with all? This USB-C to USB adapter is compatible with any laptop, tablet, smartphone with a USB Type-C port, except iPad Pro. The USB-C to USB adapter lets you connect standard USB accessories cables to a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 device such as MacBook Pro 2019/2018/2017, MacBook Air 2018. The adapter also supports smartphones OTG Tech. Top 2. Hiearcool USB-C Hub, MacBook Pro Adapter USB-C Dongle, 7-in-1 USB-C to HDMI Multiport adapter compatible for USB-C laptops, Nintendo and other Type-C devices, 4K HDMI USB 3.0 SDTF card reader 100 WPD. Rule all-in-one. The intelligent USB-C adapter has perfectly combined all the functions you need in one. USB-C to HDMI hub equipped with USB 3.0 x2, 4K and 30 HDMI, SDTF card adapter, and up to 100W/20V/5A Type-C PD charging port, data transfer not supported. Ideal as a MacBook Pro USB-C hub, USB-C laptop hub for traveling. Compatible with Windows XP/7/8/10/Vista, Chrome OS, Mac OS, Linux, Android, etc. Up close your real game with Nintendo, as a flexibility USB-C adapter not only for USB-C laptop, cell phone, and tablet but also born for Nintendo. Win more games with lifelike 4K 3840x2160 at 30Hz HDMI images and an immersive 3D gaming experience with the USB-C hub on your TV monitor. Connect the original power adapter of Switch 15V2.6A to the USB-C hub and undock your controllers before using. Top 3. USB-C hub Multiport adapter, 7-in-1 portable space aluminum dongle with 4K HDMI output, 3 USB 3.0 ports, SD microSD card reader compatible for MacBook Pro, XPS, more Type-C devices. Portable and anti-overheat and plug-and-go, sleek, compact with pocket size, 4. 5x1. 1x0. 4-in, easy to set into your laptop sleeve, bag or pocket. Premium space aluminum shell makes the USB-C hub sturdy and durable, also designed to prevent overheating, keeping you and your devices secure. Plug and play, no software, drivers or complicated installation required. 7-in-1 design and massive expansion, 3 standard USB ports with 5 Gbps transfer speed ensuring quick syncing and file sharing, 1 HDMI port with vivid 4K video output that transfers media in seconds with 3D effect, 2 SD card. Top 4. Nonda USB-C to USB adapter, USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter, USB Type-C to USB, Thunderbolt 3 to USB female adapter OTG for MacBook Pro 2019, MacBook Air 2020, iPad Pro 2020, more Type-C devices, space gray. USB 3.0 super speed up to 5 Gbps data transfer speed. Match MacBook unibody aluminum casing. 3 colors to match Apple MacBook. Durable aluminum body, high quality components ensures longer lifespan. Wi-Fi interference fix, no Wi-Fi interference while using this upgraded adapter. 1-year warranty. Feel free to upgrade to 3-year warranty by registering to nonda USB-C adapter program. Top 5. Amazon Basics USB Type-C to USB-A 2.0 male charger cable, 3 feet, 0.9 meters, white. Connect USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. with standard USB Type-A enabled devices, laptops, hard drives, power banks, wall car chargers, etc. Ideal for charging and powering USB Type-C enabled devices, as well as syncing data, photos and music. Reversible design, easily insert the Type-C connector into any Type-C enabled device, does not matter which side is up. Type-C port is half the width and 1/3 the height of a standard USB-A connector, slightly larger compared to Lightning or micro USB ports. Up to 480 Mbps data transfer speed. Power output up to 5V, 3A. Certified by USB-IF to be compliant with USB 2.0 standard. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Top 6. USB-C hub, QGEM 4-inch-1 USB-C hub adapter to 4K HDMI multiport adapter, USB 3.0, 100 WPD charger, USB 2.0, compatible with MacBook Pro 2019/2018 and other Type-C devices. Massive expansion, the USB-C to HDMI hub equipped with USB 3.0, USB 2.0, 4K at 30 HDMI, and up to 100 W/20V/5A Type-C PD charging port. Ideal partner for laptop, computer, tablet and cell phone. Compatible with Windows XP/7/8/10/Vista, Chrome OS, Mac OS, Linux, Android, etc. Transfer data in seconds, transfer and backup your files at speeds up to 5 Gbps via USB 3.0 port. That's Top 7. Amazon Basics USB Type-C to USB 3.1 Gen 1 female adapter cable, black. Input, compatible with laptops, desktops, and smartphones with USB Type-C. Output, compatible with devices that support USB-A, like a keyboard, mouse, or USB flash drive. Female adapter ensures easy connections and reliable performance, supporting data transfer up to 5 Gbps. Reversible design, easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device, does not matter which side is up. Type-C port is half the width and 1/3 the height of a standard USB-A connector, slightly larger compared to Lightning or micro USB ports. Certified by USB-IF to be compliant with USB 3.1 Gen 1 standard. Top 8. USB-C female to USB male adapter, 2-pack, Type-C to USB-A charger cable adapter for iPhone 11, 12 Pro Max, AirPods, iPad, Samsung Galaxy Note 10s 20 Plus, 20s 20 Plus, 20 Plus Ultra, Google Pixel 5 4433A2 XL. Be aware of the limitation, this is a USB-C female to USB-A male adapter designed for charging or data transfer, and it will not support video signal transmission. With this little dongle plugged into an available standard USB port, your legacy devices, charger, power bank, computer, can turn into a USB-C enabled platform. You can easily hook up any USB-C peripherals, USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C flash drive, USB Type-C hub, that make use of the newer USB-C connector. This adapter. Top 9. Syntech USB-C to USB adapter, 2-pack, USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter, USB Type-C to USB, Thunderbolt 3 to USB female adapter OTG cable compatible with iPad Air 2020, MacBook Pro Air 2018 and more. Genuinely fit side by side? Designed to fit side by side on MacBook Pro 2017/2016 or laptops with 2 side-by-side USB-C ports. 2 of our adapters or your USB-A devices will not collide each other, which could possibly happen on many adapters with no cable. Thoughtful design? Simply plug and work. The nylon cable can prevent damage from strain force to USB sockets. Premium aluminum alloy case provides an unmatched durability. Universal compatibility. This is a flexible and durable USB-C to USB adapter. Top 10. Amazon Basics USB Type-C to USB-A 2.0 male charger cable, 3 feet, 0.9 meters, black. Connect USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. with standard USB Type-A enabled devices, laptops, hard drives, power banks, wall car chargers, etc. Ideal for charging and powering USB Type-C enabled devices, as well as syncing data, photos and music. Reversible design, easily insert the Type-C connector into any Type-C enabled device, does not matter which side is up. Type-C port is half the width and 1/3 the height of a standard USB-A connector, slightly larger compared to Lightning or micro USB ports. Up to 480 Mbps data transfer speed. Power output up to 5V, 3A. Certified by USB-IF to be compliant with USB 2.0 standard. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.